Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. A couple of weeks ago, somebody contacted me. When you type out a website or a email, like, let me make it bigger. And then when you put an @ sign, it is going to turn it into a hyperlink, but it's going to be blue. And the gentleman wanted to know how to change the color. Well, it took me a while to kind of look at it because you can go up here and you can't just press red. But what you can do, and I guess the only way to do it, is like if you're doing a business card and you wanted it black or red, you could go to Object and convert it to a curve. And then when you do that, you can pick red or black or purple. And if you don't like that hyperlink, you can go to Tools, Options, and Corel Draw. And underneath text, you can uncheck this, automatically create hyperlinks with typing web addresses. You can uncheck that and it won't do it. I just keep mine like that because whenever I do, it's pretty cool that it signifies that it's an email or a website. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.